मडगावच्या होली स्पिरिट इन्स्टिट्यूटची विद्यार्थिनी दिव्या चौधरी हिने मालदीव स्केटिंग चॅम्पियनशिप सर्तींत व्हड यश मिळवून गोयेच्या मानांत भर घातल्या. या सर्तींत आपली अफाट तांक आणि जिद्द दाखवून दिवन हिने मॅरेथॉन रेसींत भांगरा पदक आणि 400 मीटर सर्तींत तांब्या पदक पक्क केलं.
And congratulations to the coach, Mr. Rajesh. We are very happy and privileged to welcome one of our young athletes who has done not only Goa proud, but the entire India proud. For the first time, we are elated that she has brought 2 medals, 1 gold in 400 meters roller skating held at the international level at Maldives, and also a bronze that she has won. So she has won 2 medals, and according to the coach, this is a history that she has created. For the first time, Goa has been proud to witness this event of welcoming this girl with 2 medals, the gold and the bronze. In the field of skating, our coach has to be applauded. It is because of his hard work. Let me thank him. And not forgetting the father, Mr. Ram Prakash, a proud father who has been instrumental, a motivational force. All this while he has been there behind this girl, taking her for practices night and day, in and out. Normally it is the mothers who motivate, but I'm really proud of him because as a father he has taken this responsibility of training this girl and always being with her as her support. I thank my beloved manager, Reverend Father Domingos Norona. When he heard that, he was very elated, happy, and he said, Esmeralda, we must go and welcome this young girl. So it is because of the motivation of our beloved manager, also the ex-manager, Reverend Father Armando Valadares, who was always there to support us. I think his effort has borne fruit all through these years, and I'm sure with the guidance, with the motivation and the support of our new manager, the PE teachers, all our support staff, Teacher Judy, we have our multitasking staff, Fiza, and our LDC, Alinda, Saviraj, and the head boy and the head girl, and all these beloved students. The message here is very, very clear that true hard work and determination makes you go further and further. I wish her all the very best. We are there to support all our athletes in their endeavors. A request to the authorities, before I thank the SSG coach and the concerned authorities for supporting her, I would request the Ministry of Youth and Sports Affairs of Goa to kindly help these people, especially the youngsters who have lot of talent. Let us bring up our talent, make them feel that they are appreciated. And also would I have requested them, they have come by train in this bad weather conditions, if they could provide some airfare or some stipend for the child, so that their parents are also motivated to, take the child further. All our support assured, and we wish her all the very best. We thank you, Divya, once again, and I'm really proud of you for this. God bless you.
Sir, what do you mean? Sports Authority of Goa coach Rajesh Naik, आणि हे माझे ट्रेनीज, माझे सेंटर फातोर्डा पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियमार माझे सेंटर आसा. आणि हे सिलेक्ट जालेले, इंडियेक सिलेक्ट जालेले पयलीं ह्यो फातोर्डा टुर्नामेंट जालेलो, सिलेक्शन ट्रायल जालेली, थंयसर हेणी 2 गोल्ड मारलेली. आणि आतां इंटरनॅशनल चॅम्पियन मालदीवजाक गेलेले. 18 ते 21 ह्या 3 ते 4 दिसात त्याचं टुर्नामेंट चालतालो. तेन्ना 400 मिटरचा त्यांनी ब्रॉन्झ मेडल मारले आणि गोल्ड मॅरेथॉन रेसीक मारलेले. आणि त्याला फादरनी भरपूर ताका सपोर्ट दिता. आणि आमचो ब्रुनो कुटिनो कोचिंग डायरेक्टरनी आमकां खूब सपोर्ट दिता अशें ट्रेन करपाक भुरग्यांक. आणि अशें आमी ट्रेन करीत रावले आणि अशें न्यू टॅलेंटेड भुरग्यांक सोदलेले आणि ट्रेन करून इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाक तांकां आमी मेडल्साक फ्युचर हाडटले.
आणि किती भुरगीं
आमी टोटल 18 जाण सिलेक्ट जालेले इंडियेक. पूण फायनान्शियल प्रॉब्लेमाक लागून एकटेच आमचे स्टुडंट्स गेले मालदीवला इंटरनॅशनल चॅम्पियनशिपाक. आणि तेन्ना पेरंट्सांचे खूब त्रास पडले. हांगासर पासपोर्ट करता आसतना, इमिग्रेशन करता आसतना खूब त्रास पडले. 4-5 तो आपल्या गांवांत बी वचोना, तेणी पासपोर्टाक लागून परते इन्क्वायरी केली आणि तेणी ती जिद्द सोडली ना. आणि लास्ट मालदीवजाक पावले आणि तेणी मेडल्सां हाडली.
तुमचे नाव?
माझे नाव राजेश बालकृष्ण नाईक, स्पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ गोवा रोलर स्केटिंग कोच.
manager for the
होली स्पिरिच्युअल इन्स्टिट्यूट मारगांव हांव नवोच अपॉयंट जाला आनी आय एम प्राउड ऑफ मिस्टर Esmeralda who initiated all this process. I am here to crown them for the efforts that they have done. And also I congratulate our students who have done very well and achieved the medals. Okay,
Thank you for that.
Just would like to add one thing. For this financial support, I thank the villagers from his native village, and also the teachers contributed a little amount so that we could financially support her. So we are all there for them with whatever ways. I thank my teachers for supporting her financially too. Thank you.
विजय ग्रुप तो आप कुछ बात करते हैं करो।
इंटरनेशनल सिलेक्शन हुआ था तो मालदीव लेके गया था। मालदीव में मैराथन